What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Dustin with Jersey Shore Drainage Solutions, and today we're going to be helping fix another flooded yard by running out their downspouts. But as you can see, paver guys have already come in, put the flower bed in. This is why I tell everybody, make sure you run those downspouts out before those pavers are done. Thankfully, the guys just left me the pipe sticking out right here, so I'll just tie into that, be able to go, pick up, and run everything out. So let's get right into it. And here we go. You can see they have the downspout adapter on there, but I will convert that and put the Y and everything else on there, make it how it's supposed to be. They stuck it out on this side. We're going to go ahead and tie into it. Come down, come around, go back over, go all the way down on the inside. Tie in with this downspout, shoot it across, and we're going to have this come all the way down here onto the other side of the fence, so that way the water will pop up over here on the other side. They turned everything into a flower bed, so it'll be fun. They're going to be adding more flower bed in there, so I don't have to worry about making it pretty. The other downspout that I've already done is on the other side of the house over there. So let's get to it. All right, here we go. Now I have it all dug out. Everything is dug out. Got to go back over it when I put the pipe in to make sure I have the correct level. Just gonna go across.
Where you're at's good.
Didn't break anything. Going all the way down here to the other side of the gate. So, how to pipe it up and show how the level is. And here we go. Everything is completely set up now. As you can see, we are completely downhill at a level, all the way down. I now have the sump pump tied into the downspout. Always glue it because it is pressurized. Keep going all the way down. We are completely downhill. Over here, everything does the same. Then we got this downspout tied into it. And then we are completely downhill to level here. Everything's gonna hit the corner, start jetting all the way to the end. Still downhill to level, all the way to the end where I have it all burrito wrapped up, holes drilled in the bottom, filter cloth, and wrapped right back over. So we are still completely downhill to level. Now to show you how everything works. And here's the other side of the fence. As I tell everybody all the time, please make sure you put your downspouts in. Drill some holes into the 90. Put some filter cloth down so you dig it a little bit deeper at the end here. So that way you turn all this into a mini dry well. So that way when you fill all this back over with dirt, you go like this. You fold it all over. Do the little burrito wrap. Fill all this back in with dirt, so then this way when the water goes in, it'll sit there and slowly try to build up. As it's trying to build up, it's draining into the ground. Once it can no longer drain into the ground, it'll build up, overflow, go out here and facilitate onto the ground to everything out here. When it can no longer pop up, water will sit there and drain back into the ground, so that way you prevent freezing. The best way to prevent freezing, everyone always asks all the time, that's how it does, by draining back into the ground. Now to backfill and show you how it works. And here we go to test the system. Put the hose in the clean out at the front of the house because we made the system run to the back. So it's gonna come all the way down here, all the way down and around, all the way out to the back. As you see, doing this in real time, no editing at all. You should go ahead, get over here, and you see the water has already made it down here by the time it took me to walk. Now you see this, right now it's trying to fill up the mini dry well as it's building up to come out. So now we have to wait till it builds up, and it'll come out and disperse all over the grass for this entire field. And here we go. This is exactly how it works. The water's gonna come out, facilitate. Pop-up's gonna come up, drain down, drain all the area and everything out into this little marsh woods land gonna be. There's no sprinklers back here, so this will be helping drastically. But this is how you prevent water from flooding your yard by simply running out your downspouts. Another job well done by Jersey Shore Drainage Solutions. As always, like, share, comment, subscribe, and until the next one.